Hey, quick one before YouTube tag this. I do not own copyright to the background music and the motivational speech. Thank you. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Thank you again for joining us today on today's YouTube video. All right, so this is a U-part wig that I'm installing. This is a very easy U-part wig install in 5 minutes. So here I'm just creating a flat surface for me, and also parting out a leave out for the wig. Okay. Again, you don't have to braid your hair down, just as long as you get you part out or leave out hair, you'll be fine. But again, put the rest of the hair all to the back on a ponytail, okay? But here I chose to do that again to create more flat surface for my wig, again for it to look more natural and seamless, okay? So here I'm already on to the install. This wig comes with 3 clip, one at the back, like at the center of the head, one at the side on each side. Okay. I also have a comb at the back of the wig. Okay, to the neck. Yeah, at the back of the wig. Again, I just section, the part that I created. I just created, like, divided into 2, creating a middle part. That's what I want. So this is just what I'm doing here. Of course, using my flat iron, using rather a hot comb, wax stick, all to get the hair really smooth, okay, and flat, and then again to blend with the wig. Okay, you see. Okay, now I went ahead to coil the hair using a wine coiler. Again, I added my natural hair with the wig for it to look natural. Okay, I know right now it looks a little messy, but hey, don't worry, just keep watching this video. You will see at the end how beautiful face came out to be. Again, this is something you can do at home. Again, if you're the type that love to go to the saloon, again, you're welcome to do this at the salon. But again, this is a simple, easiest way, another way for you to get a sew in and a leave out style. Okay, if you're tired of just wearing wig and lace, girl, this is just the right time to jump into what we call U-part wig. Okay, where you still leave out your hair, cover up the lace. It looks natural, just like your natural hair. Okay, it blends well. Again, right here you see the hair, my natural hair blends well with the wig. Okay, so girl, what are you still waiting for? You need to jump on board with us on this journey. Okay, again, it looks beautiful, and I love it. I love it. Okay, thank you for coming on and joining us and watching our video today. Again, don't forget to share and subscribe, turn on the notification button, okay, for more videos. We love to hear from you. If you have any questions or any ideas, please leave us in the comment below. We appreciate it. Again, see you next time. Bye.
I don't change my name to body. I no more.